Hello boys and girls. Today on KidStir we are going to make some, you can call it Easter popcorn, you can call it pastel popcorn, spring popcorn, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to get your bag of popcorn that you can pop in the microwave. And then when your popcorn is done, you will have some candy melts that you will have to melt in the microwave, but get mom or dad or your grown-up person to help you. And so what we're going to do is after we melt that, we'll just drizzle it into our popcorn. It sets up pretty quickly, so you may have to melt it a couple of times. And then you'll get some other things to go in there too. Some marshmallows and maybe some jelly beans. Different selections of different candies and stuff to go in and make your popcorn mixture however you want to make it. So you can mix these in. And this will do a little bit better at home because you'll melt them and put it in as soon as you get it done. And then you just kind of stir it all around in your popcorn. And then you can add your goodies. I have some little cookie crumbs or some cookie pieces and some candy and some marshmallows. And we'll get it all mixed up. And you'll have a couple of different colors to choose from. All right, so there you have that. And it looks a little bit like that. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a little cupcake that looks like a chicken. Fork. So you'll get your cupcake and you'll get your icing. And you'll get, these are little pieces of candy for your, for the beak, and you'll have some chocolate chips for your eyes. So you'll stir your icing up really good. After you get that on there, you put your little chocolate chip for the eye. Put your little beak. And don't forget, boys and girls, if you all do these things, Miss Libby and I would love to see pictures of what you do. And so for this little piece right here, you could put a little bit more icing right there in the top. And you could probably just take your fork and kind of pull it up so it looks like this little feather sticking up. So there's your little chicken. So we hope you guys have a wonderful time with this, and please send pictures so we can see what you do. Have a great day.